for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, power moonroof, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.